Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be doing my hair routine video. I'm so excited because I get a lot of questions about my hair. So I thought I would let you guys in and show you what products I use, how I do it. It's kind of going to be like a voiceover or speed through just because I have a lot of hair. So it would take a long time if I just sat through and did it. But I'm gonna give you all of the scoop and the insights as to what I do to my hair to blow it out, press it out, curl it, all of the above. So yeah, if you would like to see how I style my hair, then make sure you keep on watching. All right, so we got to get this done. I took a shower and kind of let it sit and absorb the water from this little microfiber towel. So now it's time to kind of get it together, style it so we look like somebody, okay? Somebody. Gotta look like somebody. So I have all of my stuff laid out in front of me so we can get this done quickly without any issues. My hair is still a little damp, but not soaking wet. That's key, because that's gonna cut down on the drying time as well as help the products work a little better. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started, I wanted to quickly mention my bracelet. I'm so excited because I have been on the hunt for the perfect, dainty, feminine, timeless silver bracelets to kind of go with the vibe, because I don't have a lot of silver accessories outside of my wedding band and my necklace. However, those are white gold, so I needed something else to support what I have because I don't have any silver accessories. So I was so excited when Ana Luisa reached out to me to try some of their products. Jewelry, excited, loved it. I've been hearing about it all over. I think I recently just heard Peyton Charles talk about it too, and she was showing me her necklaces and stuff. So when they reached out, I was like, absolutely, let's get it going. So I'm going to show you the two pieces that I chose that fit perfectly in my collection. All right, so starting off, we are going to be talking about this Elisa sterling silver bracelet. This is like a rope link bracelet, which looks so good, so dainty. I love the adjustable band, so if you need to shorten it longer, make it longer, you have that option. I just think it fits perfectly into my collection because I love like the little dainty pieces, especially on my wrist and stuff. Because I do makeup, I don't want a whole bunch of stuff bangling when I'm doing makeup. I want the perfect everyday silver bracelet to add to my collection that will keep my jewelry looking timeless, and this is it. I also have very, very sensitive skin. When it comes to jewelry, like the wrong ingredient or the wrong something will set my skin off and I will break out in a rash. However, I've been wearing this for a very long time now at this point, and I have not broken out yet. This product is hypoallergenic. It is a water resistant. It does not give you like that green stain from jewelry. It does not tarnish. Like, it is definitely the perfect thing for me, and I think it'll be the perfect thing for you. The next bracelet that I had to add to my collection was this gold linked bracelet. This is the Aura bracelet in gold. I love this link bracelet. The moment that I saw it on the website, I was like, I need that in my possession like right now. I love how this looks. I envisioned it to go with my linked watch that is a dual toned watch, so it's gold and silver, and it goes perfect. And I also needed another gold bracelet that was just kind of day to day to add to my stack, and I thought this just kind of fit in perfect. It was the perfect puzzle piece, and I was excited to get it. I love that it comes with the links, extra links to lengthen this bracelet, because some of us need a little bit more space, or you can take links out. I love that they gave you the adjustable option and to customize it just like you would a linked watch. Absolutely love this bracelet, and I can't wait to wear it. So I just need to add one link to the bracelet, which I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this adjusted so I can add one link, maybe two, just to kind of give me a little bit of movement through it. So I love this. This was one that I was like, yeah, I need this. This is a very, very pretty watch, okay? Tarnish free, hypoallergenic as well, water resistant. It's just a very pretty bracelet. Ana Luisa has unmatched quality. They are strength and humidity tested. They are long-lasting jewelry that is tarnish resistant that you can feel comfortable about wearing. They are gorgeous, timeless pieces that I think you would love. Elevate your style without emptying out your wallet. All of their jewelry comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can feel safe and secure about wearing your jewelry. I love that exchanges are easy and simple. They have really fast shipping in the States, and they also have you covered if you're not in the States. Shipping is still fast at a really good price. If you would like to give Ana Luisa a try and grab some timeless, beautiful pieces of your own, please click my link down below and it will give you a 30% off just for my subscribers. Yeah, I will see you in the description box and I will have everything linked down below as to what pieces I got. Please let me know what pieces you got down below. Let's get to this hair before it dries completely. All right, guys, this is my completed hair. This is what it looks like. Let me do the back. So this is what the back looks like. Then again with the front. So I just curl it from, depending on the look or vibe that I'm going for, I just curl it from the blow dryer state. If I want more volume or voluminous, I'll keep it. I won't straighten it before curling it. I'll just blow dryer it and then just curl it, and that gives me the most volume with my hair. So I really love it, and I love Olaplex, the styling cream, because it keeps my hair shiny and all this extra stuff. And then you guys saw I cut a little bit of layers in it. I'm probably gonna go back through and add some more, like right up in here. Add some more layers, and like right up in here add a few more layers. But this is mainly how I do my hair. Yeah, so this is, I just love it. I love the volume that it gives after I blow dry and then curl. If I'm trying to get more volume, I would definitely go straight from blow drying to curling. And then the only time I kind of do press out first is when I want a real sleek look. So I'll blow dry, then press out, and then bump if I want the ends bumped. But anytime, I don't know, I just love it. Looks so good. I'm probably gonna add some more layers up in here because this piece is a little long. And then, yeah, I want a little bit more layers up in here. So I would probably do that, I don't know, or maybe I'll go to Adrian, my hairstylist. But yeah, this is how I achieve my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do not forget to check out Ana Luisa for all of your timeless jewelry at affordable pricings. You get to look great but not break the bank. They have very, very good quality jewelry, water resistant, tarnish resistant, hypoallergenic, and I'm one, I can speak on that because I have very sensitive skin. If you would like to check them out, I'm going to leave the link down below so you can receive 30% off with my link. I hope you guys enjoyed, and then again, thank you to Ana Luisa for partnering with me in today's video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. So yeah, until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that post notification bell so you stay up to date every time I upload and you don't miss an upload. And yeah, bye.